Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a column label. First, you need to be logged into the operations portal, and then you can navigate to any page that has the data tab. For example, I will go to the companies page, and I'm going to click on the data tab. So now I'm going to click on this button and I'm going to enable the column user 2. Okay, so now I can see this column. So you can click on this icon next to the column name and then click on edit. So you should see a screen like this, and the editor field is set to default. You can modify the label of the column. For example, I'm going to enter the word category and click on save. You can see that the column name was successfully changed. So now let's modify the value of the editor field. So I'm going to click on this icon, click on edit, and I'm going to change this value to select. So now you should see add select option. So I'm going to click here. And you will see two new fields where you can enter values and labels. So for example, I'm going to enter some values, commercial. In this example, I'm going to enter the same value and the same label, but you can enter different. I'm going to enter, for example, residential. And now I'm going to click on save. Now, if you double click on this cell, you will see the values you added. You can click on any of the values. You can also delete some values. For example, I'm going to click here, click on edit, and you can click on this icon and click on save. So if you double click on this cell, you will see that the value was successfully deleted. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.